You're about to discover the ultimate, most sought-after mass niche marketing system ever created. And I know that sounds like a huge promise, and while it is, I'm completely confident in the fact that there's no easier or faster way to enter 10, 20, 30, or even 40 niches at the same time and make money in all of them without being chained to your desk. You see, whether your background is mostly SEO, or you're a Facebook marketer, or you're just looking for something that works, what I'm about to show you is for everyone. Because when you break internet marketing down to its simplest form, it all comes back to one simple thing: a niche or niches that you target. And right now, I can tell you with 100% confidence that Facebook by far is the easiest way to break into any proven niche, get targeted visitors flowing through your stuff quickly, and start making money almost immediately. Now, I'm not bad-mouthing SEO or anything like that, but it's a fact that even SEO in its golden era was much more difficult to make money doing than Facebook is now. And when you think about the fact that at this very moment you can select any niche you want on Facebook and have real targeted buyer traffic onto your properties literally within minutes, and that's not just marketing speak here, it's really obvious that Facebook is the place to be right now. And for the Facebook layman, it goes pretty much like this. Choose any proven niche, and you can go after only the best ones. Put up a Facebook page around your chosen niche. Run some likes. You can get those on the cheap. Place your ads, t-shirts, opt-in pages, CPA offers on your page. Make sure your people see them, and then rinse and repeat. It's a highly scalable business model, and if you've got a marketing bone in your body, the sheer speed at which you can profit from Facebook should make you stand up and pay attention. But there's also a big problem. Facebook is all about being able to mass market, being active in 20, 30, even 40 niches, all of which you're making money from. And therein lies the problem for most. Unless you've got a bunch of funds to throw at personal assistants, there's no way you could ever manage all those niches. Because your people on Facebook will expect regular and highly engaging content, or else they'll forget about you. And then on top of that, you've got to manage all your offers in order to make money from them, right? What if I told you that there's a way to mass niche market on Facebook easily and comfortably while 99% of the grunt work is handled for you? As a marketer, would you be interested in being able to profit from 30, 40, or even more niches at the same time, all while doing 1% of the effort normally required of you? I know I would, and that's precisely why I developed the very thing I'm about to show you. And I'm sure once you see this thing in action, you're going to be blown away at the sheer ease and effectiveness in which you can enter niches at will and profit from them over and over again. It's like having as many highly trained personal assistants as you dang well please without ever having to pay them a dime. So are you ready to see exactly how you could be pulling a profit from an unlimited number of niches on Facebook with very minimal effort on your part? Well, give me just a few minutes and I'll show you how this is all possible. So let's jump over now to a live demo and just prepare to be amazed. So right now we're looking at just one of the many pages I personally run on Facebook, and normally I'll run in multiple niches and several pages within a niche, but I thought this particular one would make for a great demo, just so you can see for yourself a real live page. Now, all the content that you see here, this is the most proven and highly engaging content within this niche on Facebook, or for any niche you're creating your page in, for example. And the coolest part is I didn't post a single bit of it because it's all completely automated. Now, as you'll see in just a second, there's some things you can do manually, if you can really call it manual work here, to give it that little extra flair. But basically, when 99% of the work is handled for you, it's so easy to do that last little 1%, or even just hand it off to an assistant for all your pages. Now, as you can see at the top here of this page, I've got a t-shirt running right now. Now, I do t-shirt offers, CPA offers, you can do list building offers off of these, any of that kind of stuff. And the real power here in all of this is basically the insanely high level of automation that we can use to do this, to promote these things. And that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go ahead and show you in basically 2 minutes flat how you can have a page up and running just like this for you to run your offers on. So right now I'm extremely excited to introduce you to the one and only Hero Tower, and this is the second version of our premium Facebook niche page and ad management automation software, and I guarantee you're going to be absolutely blown away when you see this thing. So first we're just going to log in, and this is a fresh account I set up for the demo. So when you log in here, the first thing to notice is you have a starter dashboard. Dashboards allow you to manage an entire niche and all your pages within that niche, and basically syndicate all the best content and your offers to all your pages at the same time. So here we're inside an empty dashboard. The first thing you're going to need to do is click here to add a page or add all the pages that you want to syndicate this content to. So we go ahead and click that, pick out your page. We're going to pick the one that we looked at earlier. And the next thing you need to do here is you need to go ahead and choose your posting schedule. So this is as simple as clicking on or off the times that you want the content to post. So easy as that, and you're done. Set the times you want it, and that's when your content's going to be posted to your page. So now that that's done, what we need to do next is we need to add some source content. So to do that, we have two different ways to go ahead and do it. We can add it with this topic explorer here, or we're going to go ahead and do it another way. I'm going to show you that real quick here now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to use the second option, and I'm going to target pages directly within my niche that I know have awesome content. And to do that, we need to scroll down here where it says content source pages. And I have a few that I've found already, so I'm going to paste those in, and all you need is the Facebook page URL. So to connect that, you go ahead and click this button where it says connect to Facebook source, paste in your link right here, then click verify and add source. And it's as easy as that, and you've got your source added right here. I've got a few more that I'm going to add real quick, and I'm done, and that's it. So there we go. We've got several sources added now, and we're ready to go. So now I'm going to come up here to what's called the content stream on the top left and instantly generate my niche content by clicking this button here. And this will just take a minute, and it's actually going out and examining these pages or topics if that's what you used, and ordering the content by the most engaging using a built-in algorithm. This is really high-level stuff here. And so there we have it. Tons and tons of the highest quality content ready to go. Now imagine that in just a few minutes we have all the best content in this niche already in the system, ready to be syndicated to as many of your pages as you like on a schedule of your choosing. Is that not out of this world awesome or what? So right now I want to point out that you have a lot of control about what gets posted on your page. First of all, the system pre-filters content to only get the best content out there. But if you want even more control than that, you can use the content filters here. So you can add keywords and domains right here. And really anything you want the system to permanently block the content related to those things. And you can also control by the recency and the number of shares, the types of content such as the photos and the links. And quickly, I also want to point out up in the auto post settings right here, you have an advanced setting feature that allows you to do things like add standard messages such as call to actions on each post. And this is great for list building, for example, and or random messages that will be posted along with each auto post. So this makes your auto posts look even more natural by adding little messages to go along with them that change each time the system posts. And the cool thing is the system manages all of this automatically. There's nothing you have to do. So let's go ahead and jump back over to the content stream on the left here. You'll see that each of these items has 3 different buttons, and you can quickly view the original source content by clicking this View on Facebook button. Or you can go ahead and post this content directly to any and all of your dashboards by clicking the Post It button. So this little box comes up when you click the Post It button, and you can select any and all of your dashboards here. You can enter in a custom message to be posted along with it, and then you go ahead and click the Post button, and it's going to syndicate this content to all the pages in the dashboards that you've selected. Now this last button here is really cool because it allows you to add a real human element to your auto posts. And you see when I click here, it allows you to set a custom message for your post and this post only. And we'll update this and we'll go ahead and save it. So now you'll notice that it's highlighted here to indicate that this one has been customized. And what this allows you to do is if you really want to add that extra human element, quickly and easily run through the content that's scheduled to be posted and customize them to your liking. You could do 10 or so pieces of content in a matter of minutes or have your assistant do it, effectively optimizing you or their workflow and cutting out 99% of the work so you can get more done. Pretty cool, right? But look, I haven't even shown you the best part of this yet. So down here, this is what I call the ad launcher. Basically what it allows you to do is syndicate your ads and offers through your entire network. Rotate and split test them and dynamically update every single offer that gets shown to your people with just a few clicks of a button. Alright, so I really want to show this off in full effect. I'm going to go ahead and post something to my actual Facebook page here. So we click the post it button, type in our message, select the dashboard, click post it, and it's going to let us know when that's done. So then what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and see this actually on the page here. And if you look at this, here's the content that we posted, and when we click on this, it goes straight to the content. That's good, that's kind of what we want, but not exactly. So this link has already been posted, right? But what we can do is we can still put any of our offers or ads on that link that we want. Right now we're in the ad launcher portion of the dashboard, and I'm going to create 2 ads to rotate on my content. One's going to be an image ad leading to a Teespring campaign, the other's going to be an opt-in page. So I'm going to start here first with the image tab, and just a quick note, if you already have an ad set up already on any one of your dashboards, you can actually import it right here with this little drop-down box. But for now, I'm going to create a new one right here in front of you so you can see how it's done. So give it a name, this is just for your reference. And you want to go ahead and add in headline is the next thing you need to do. I've got one set up here. We're going to say, get this awesome tea $10 discount. Of course, you need an image URL. So this will be the image to reference for your ad. I'm going to use the default Teespring URL here for the social preview. And then you need to put in the destination URL, of course. This is where your visitors are going to go to. And then we have the acceptance. So if they choose to accept this here, we're going to say, yes, let me have it. And if they decline the offer here, we're going to say, no thanks. Now, we could get a little bit aggressive for one more step and make a pop-up alert message with JavaScript to go along with the ad, but for right now, we're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and create this ad. And it says ad was successfully created and everything's good to go. Okay, so now if we go under manage ads, we'll see that my ad is right here. And what we want to actually do right now is we want to activate this ad. To do that, we go to the third tab and click the little power icon right here. Simple as that, and it's done. So let's go check it out. We're going to go back to the Facebook page here, and remember we clicked this content before. We're going to click it now, and boom, the ad is right there in front of you, and the content is actually displayed behind it now. And if we go ahead and click on the ad image or the accept text, it'll go off to the Teespring ad and directly to our money page. So if you click decline, obviously it's going to go to the content itself. So are you starting to actually see the sheer power of this? I hope you are, because this is amazing stuff. This is the coolest feature that I've ever seen. Alright, so we're back in the ad launcher now. I'm going to move a little bit quicker to show you how you can update and rotate these ads on the fly. I'm going to create what's called an iframe ad with this tab right here and show you how you can set up an opt-in page to build your list. So I've got this set up. I'm going to copy the information here, kind of like we did on the first ad. And of course you want your ad headline and the destination. So I've got this set up with a opt-in already pre-formatted to save time here. Of course you can put it in the pop-up message like we discussed. But once that's done, pretty simple, go ahead and click create ad. The page is going to go ahead and refresh. And what we want to do now is we want to go back to the activate ads tab, and we'll notice that there are now 2 ads on here. And again, if I click the activate the power icon here, both of these ads will be rotated. So what we want to do is we actually want to, say change up the offer, and instead of having the one offer on there anymore, we want to have just the new one that we just created. So go ahead and deactivate the one you don't want. And I'm going to pop back to the Facebook page and show you what this looks like. So there you have it. Now it's my opt-in offer showing instead.
Now how sweet is that? Now look, anybody who knows me knows I only put out high quality stuff. But I don't need to brag or talk this one up, because I literally just showed you that this software is approaching Chuck Norris level awesomeness. And all joking aside, you've seen the sheer power, time-saving, and money-making value that's packed into this extremely easy-to-use system. Let's put it this way, a trained monkey's trained monkey could use this thing. And make no doubt about it, it's an industry gold standard platform that will make your life so much easier. So look, I'm not going to keep you here much longer or make a huge deal trying to get you in the door with these super secret marketing tricks and all that fuzzy stuff. You either want it or you don't. But I can imagine that with everything that Hero Tower brings to the table, You might think this is going to cost you an arm and a leg. Well, here's the deal. It should, but it's not. I know, quite the suspense breaker, but I wanted to put this within reach of anybody who really wants to make it happen, who wants to join our team, and who wants to kill it with everything we have to offer. Now, I could charge $4.97 for this or more quite easily, but I'm not going to. And some may call me stupid or just flat out insane, but here's what I'm going to go and do for you. I'm going to allow you in the door today for as little as $37 one time. First thing you should know is that Hero Tower is not a monthly service payment, and you invest one time, you have access, period. We have 3 plans so that whether you've never put up a Facebook page before or you're a Facebook veteran, you're covered. And these plans go from unlimited power user to a very generous starter plan. Plan A is our power user plan, and it affords you unlimited access to Hero Tower, unlimited dashboards, pages, sources, ads, everything all you want. And our power user plan starts at just $127 one time. That's it. I'm sure you know just how little of an investment that is and how you can make it back within the next few hours. Plan B is our scalar plan, and it affords you up to 15 dashboards with unlimited pages and ads for an insanely low one-time investment of just $97 one time. That means you can effectively manage up to 15 different niches and an unlimited number of your pages for just $97. And Plan C is our starter plan. This allows you to get up and running with very minimal investment, with full access to all features and the ability to create and manage up to 7 dashboards. You can effectively manage up to 7 niches on Facebook with an unlimited number of your own pages, an unlimited number of ads, and all the other massive benefits that ship with Hero Tower. So there it is, no games, no mysteries. If you want in on this incredible opportunity, the time to take action is right now. So go ahead and choose the plan that best suits you. Of course, once the special deal is over, these prices will absolutely go up considerably. So click the button for the plan that you need to get going today, and within a few minutes of finishing your order, you'll be logging into Hero Tower and be up and running. There's nothing to download or install, and this entire system was created with the ultimate ease in mind. Join us now, and we'll see you on the inside.